Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your HUAWEI Mate 40 Pro 5G, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down and find biometrics and a password. Click on the face recognition, input your current log method, and then read the description and click to get started. And we have to keep our face, right here, and we have to turn it on the right a little bit, then turn it on the left. Okay, we have to raise our head slightly, like that. Then lower. You have to follow every instruction that pops on your screen. Okay, do it slowly. Okay, it's finished. So, right now, can try to unlock the device. So let's close this menu, then tap on the power button, click on it one more time, and as you can see it is working. So right now we can simply slide to open the device. We don't have to input our pattern lock method. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!